Good morning, students. Welcome back to Biology Classroom once again. Today, I will discuss conditions related to the heart functions. Heart is very sensitive organ. Here are some of the conditions that may result from the improper functioning of the heart. Some of them have been discussed here. First one is a palpitation. You must have felt racing heartbeats in a nervous situation such as during exam. So when we going through a nervous situation, our heartbeats run very fast. This condition arises when the heart beats very fast and we feel the beating of our own heart. The person feels breathlessness, tightness around the chest, and dizziness also. So, in this situation, we can feel our heart will be blocked and tightness and light pain around the chest cavity. This condition is known as palpitation. Cardiac arrest. Another condition related to the functioning of heart is cardiac arrest. The person collapses and loses consciousness. So in this situation, first problem is the person collapse and lost consciousness. मतलब faint हो जाता है, उसका sense नहीं रहता है. Cardiac arrest on heart attack occurs when there is a obstruction in the flow of blood in arteries. So cardiac arrest is occurred when normally any kind of obstruction or blockage is found in the arteries. This may happen due to the clot or thickening of the arteries due to the cholesterol deposition. अगर arteries में अचानक कोलेस्ट्रॉल डिपोजिट हो जाता है तो नॉर्मली आर्टरी ब्लॉक हो जाता है और ब्लॉक होने पे ब्लड का जो फ्लो नॉर्मल नहीं होता. इन दिस सिचुएशन वी कैन फील कार्डियक अरेस्ट. It could also happen due to the damage in the coronary arteries. High blood pressure, obesity, diabetes, smoking or drinking too much alcohol are some reasons behind this condition of the heart. So student, you have to learn the conditions. So normally when we going through high blood pressure or obesity, diabetes, smoking or drinking too much alcohol, these kinds of reasons are basically behind the condition of the heart. That is known as cardiac arrest. Next, hypertension. When a person is having higher than normal systolic and diastolic pressure, the person said to be suffering from hypertension or high blood pressure. मतलब normally जब हाई सिस्टोलिक प्रेशर एंड डायस्टोलिक प्रेशर नॉर्मल से ज़्यादा होगा तब हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे हाइपरटेंशन और हाई ब्लड प्रेशर. दिस कंडीशन प्रिवेल्स इवन इफ अ पर्सन इज एट रेस्ट. ये सिचुएशन कम हो सकता है अगर वही पर्सन नॉर्मल सिचुएशन में रेस्ट ले थोड़ी देर. Hypertension is the major causes of disease such as diabetes and heart disease. Now, lymphatic system. A system of teeny tubes called lymph vessels and lymph nodes in the human body which transport the liquid called lymph. So as a blood, lymph is a one kind of liquid which actually act as a medium by which different kinds of important nutrients, minerals, best thing just provided into itself. From the body tissues to the blood circulatory system is called lymphatic system. Lymph capillaries are teeny tubes which are present in the whole body just like a blood capillaries. So normally lymph capillaries situated at the blood capillaries throughout the body. Since the ends of lymph capillaries in the body tissues are closed, so the tissue fluid can only seep into the walls of the lymph capillaries present in the body tissue. So normally a lymph capillaries का one end block है. That's why it provides just only one direction. Moreover, since the pores or wall of the lymph capillaries are somewhat bigger. Normally lymph capillaries में जो pores होता है normally these are the quite bigger than blood capillaries. So even large protein molecules present in the tissue fluid can enter into the lymph capillaries. तो नॉर्मली हम लोग जो प्रोटीन इंटेक करते हैं प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल से लिम्फ कैपिलरीज का जो पोर्स है उसमें एंटर हो जाता है. द लिम्फ कैपिलरीज ज्वाइन टू फॉर्म अ लार्जर लिम्फ वेसल्स. तो लिम्फ कैपिलरीज एक दूसरे के साथ ज्वाइन होकर आई मीन फ्यूज होकर लार्ज लिम्फ वेसल्स बनाता है. द लिम्फ वेसल्स हैव अ लिम्फ नोड्स एट इंटरवल. द लिम्फ नोड्स कंटेन स्पेशल टाइप्स ऑफ सेल कॉल्ड लिम्फोसाइट. ये इसके नीचे अंडरलाइन करना व्हाट इज लिम्फोसाइट. सो नॉर्मली लिम्फ वेसल्स और लिम्फ कैपिलरीज एक दूसरे के साथ जब ज्वाइन होता है उसका इंटरनोड सिचुएशन में नोड्स दिखाई देता है. मतलब इंटरवल में बीचों बीचों में नोड्स दिखाई देता है. और स्पेशल टाइप सेल को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे लिम्फोसाइट्स. Lymph nodes containing lymphocytes are involved in the cleaning of lymph and protecting the body from disease. तो normally lymphocytes actually काम करता है disease के हाथों से हम लोगों को protect करता है. The lymph vessels are connected to a large vein of the blood circulatory system. Thymus and spleen are important lymphatic organs. इसके नीचे दाग लगाना students. Thymus and spleen are important lymphatic organs. So there are two organs inside our body which actually acts as a lymphatic organ. These are thymus and spleen. Lymph is a light yellow liquid which is somewhat similar in composition to blood plasma. Normally lymph का जो composition है, it is actually as equal as blood plasma. It contains a large protein molecules and digested food. It also contains the germs from the cells and the fragments of the dead cell. Normally germs को destroy करता है. Lymph is another medium of circulation in the human body, but lymph flows in only one direction from body tissue to the heart. Since lymph is derived from the tissue fluid which remains outside the cells of the body, so it is also called extracellular fluid. Lymph contains a special type of white blood cells called lymphocytes which help in the fighting infection and disease. Lymph containing a large protein molecules, digested fat, germs and the fragments of dead cell from the tissue fluid around the body cells seep into the lymph capillaries present throughout the body. From lymph capillaries, lymph passes into the large lymph vessels containing lymph nodes. In the lymph nodes, lymph is cleaned by white blood cells called lymphocytes. So normally lymph nodes में जो special type का cell है, these are known as lymphocytes. These white blood cells eat the germs. ये lymphocyte cell जो है normally जो जब foreign ingredients हम लोग का शरीर में घुस जाता है उसको intake करता है and also make antibodies for protecting the body from disease. So उसके against में antibody form करके हम लोगों को protect करता है. The cleaned lymph containing large protein molecules, digested fat and other useful materials is transported by lymph vessels to the large vein which run just beneath the collarbone. So the cleaned lymph containing large protein molecules, normally lymph containing protein molecules, digested fat and other useful material which run just beneath our collarbone. Normally ये कहाँ पे रहता है कॉलरबोन के ठीक नीचे. These veins carry the lymph to the heart. In this way, the circulation of lymph from the body tissue to the heart is completed. The functions of lymph. ये portion very important. Lymph takes part in the nutritive process of the body. I mean, as a blood, lymph actually act as a media by which different types of nutrition, minerals just provided from circulatory system to each body cell. It puts into circulation large protein and molecules and digested fat by the carrying them from the tissues into the bloodstream. Normally, it provides protein molecules and fat molecules. Next, it protects the body by killing the germs, drained out the body tissues with the help of lymphocyte contained in the lymph nodes and by the producing antibodies. Normally, lymphocyte cell जो produce करता है, lymphocyte cell foreign germs जो हम लोग के शरीर में घुस जाता है, it act and fight against them and form antibodies to protect ourselves. Lymph helps in the removing the waste product like fragments of dead cell. तो डेड सेल जो होता है हम लोग का शरीर में उसको भी वेस्ट मतलब रिमूव करने में हेल्प करता है. So these three are the function of lymph. I hope student all of you understood. In the next video I will discuss the exercise. So I hope all of you understood. So for today up to this portion.